Today we're going to go over how to create your research note cards using the Google Slides template I've made for you. I'm also going to review how to do it on a physical note card. To use the Google Slides, first thing you're going to do is find the template under Unit 2B RP Researching. Okay, and you're going to open the slideshow. You won't be able to edit it. You'll need to click File, make a copy, and then you want to give it a good name. I've named mine Youngie Research Paper 2020, and I've put it in a folder where I can find it later. Okay, so I've given you a layout for several different types of cards so that you don't have to worry about the formatting. First slide here are just some quick overview guidelines on how to use this that I'm going to go over right now. Right? You have your topic card, you have your numbered source card I'll show you how to use, and you have two different data layout cards, okay? The first thing you want to do is Easy Bib. You want to pull up your works cited because you are going to copy your citations into the numbered sources card because that's going to allow you to say on your research cards which source it came from very easily. To do that, you just hover over your citation, click copy, click in the text box, and paste. That's it. Okay. So let's look at the first layout here. This is a very simple layout. It has a category, whether you're going to paraphrase, summarize, or quote, your parenthetical citation, your data, and your source number. All right. I'm going to look at source number 4, and I am going to pull this particular quote. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it right in here. And I'm going to put quotes around it because this is not my words, but later I'm going to paraphrase it. So I want to say that there. My parenthetical citation I can check is Rollins because it's the last name there. So I'm going to put this here because then when I use this in my paper, I won't have to think about it. It'll already be done. This is source number 4, so I put that there. So if I forget where I got it, I can flip back and go, oh, right, that's the grain feed diets. What's the height? Next, I'm going to come up with a category, header, subtopic, whatever you want to, however you want to think of this. It could relate to your sub-questions. In fact, it should. The header you give it is going to depend entirely on you and works best for you. You can use these later to help you organize your note cards in order. I'm going to call this one nutrients because it talks about nutrients in dogs. Okay. So let's do this again with this layout. All right, so now let's look at, let me highlight, I'm going to grab this one right here. And I'm going to put this here. Oops, I'm going to do paste. We'll just do it like that. And I can make it bigger, make it size 12. Again, this is a direct quote. And I'm going to leave it as a quote when I use it. This is from the same source I used before. So it's the same citation and it's the same number. I'm going to call this one recommendation because that's what she's doing. She's recommending to vets how to recommend food to their clients, right? Now, real quick, how to actually add these different slides, super simple. You just click up here to new slide, and you have your different layouts that I've given you. Category header, template 1, template 2, source cards, etc. Okay, so you just add and you fill out each of these boxes and you're good to go. Now, I've created additionally a physical note card. All right, so this is just for you to reference if you're using physical note cards. You can pull this up. You can create your own physical template with this written on there so that you can reference that as you take your notes. If you have any questions,